Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 24th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please beware, make your own decisions, and do your own research. Okay, so Palantir still a good day today, up 21 cent, 1.13% at 25.10. Okay, we are going to take it. What does this look like on the chart? So we have a little green candle, a little body of a green candle, same longer of wick at the top and at the bottom. This is a higher day. We are making a higher high and a higher low, but we feel like things are slowing down a little bit. We seem to be just under 25.10. 25.10 is a place that we used in the past. So if you look at it here, 25.10, we have, this was used as resistance not too long ago in June. Boom, boom. We had a hard time a little bit. And then it prevented us from going higher also in the beginning of July, and also in this congestion zone that we are right in. It was used, look at this, it was used on August 13. August 13, we were blocked by it, went down, broke it, and then went under it, and now we are trying to break out of it again for more than one day. So we are still a little bit under this 25.10, and of course there's this other resistance at 25.79 that is still there. So we are in this congestion zone here as part of this bullish channel. So the bullish channel is there, and we went up quite fast because of the earnings, and now we are quite stable, I would say. We are very stable, and we still have a long way to go before getting to the support here. I would prefer that we would get closer to the support, but we have been down to the support not too long ago, so it's not impossible that we might break 25.74 and try and go reach 30-ish eventually. This is the target. This is the target. Are we going to go and reach 30 something soon? Let's hope. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Okay, so today we started right here at 9:30. Yesterday, we were very close to this resistance here. So I mentioned, okay, there's a resistance, and we seem to be obeying to that resistance a little bit with this next to last candle. We touched the resistance, but then we had this green candle, but this was a lower high, but a higher low. So it was not clear what we were going to do. And stochastic was not super high. It was at 58. It was at 58. So I was thinking, oh, I don't know if we are going to cross it. We crossed it. This is fantastic. I'm going to remove this here. So we crossed it. So the stock is stronger than what it might have led us to believe yesterday. So we are going to be happy about that. Stochastic is at 85. So stochastic is pretty strong. Let's go to the daily chart. So what's happening with our indicators? So MACD crossed over bullish right here, and also the 2 lines positive. That's good. In terms of stochastic, 82. So it's good to have it at over 80. So we are happy about that. This is a green thumb up. DMI is also green, so everything is good from a technical perspective. And I am introducing the relative strength index. This is an indicator that I will be using. I will be putting it here on the chart all the time, but I won't be talking about it all the time. I'm going to use this as a divergent indicator so that we can decipher if, let's say, a stock is making some higher highs, but the RSI is making lower highs, then this is a divergence, and this means that the stock eventually will come down. So I will be using the RSI like this. I might not talk about it every single day, but I'm going to use it when I feel it's necessary. So congestion zone, let's just stay put and write this one out. Thank you very much for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting. For $5 a month, you can tell me that you love me. It's very cheap. You also get exclusive access to my weekly technical analysis I do during the weekend. And if you happen to be there on YouTube when I stream these videos live, then you can also participate and we can chat. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.